I've mentioned before on this channel that I'm a songwriter as well as a teacher and a performer. I've written hymns, and worship songs, and instrumental music, and choral pieces, and pop songs, and I've also written songs for children, but with a little bit of a twist. They're not really children's songs for children to sing, but rather children's songs for parents or grandparents to sing to their children. Allow me to explain. My wife and I were blessed with a beautiful daughter back in 1987. As it is with children, she would occasionally exhibit behaviors of which we did not approve. And quite by accident, I discovered a unique way to counteract these undesirable behaviors. For example, occasionally our daughter would have trouble respecting our personal space. We'd be sitting together on the couch and she would just stretch out and end up putting her feet in my face. Instead of just grumbling and saying, "Get your feet out of my face," I began to sing a song to her, which I called, "Don't Put Your Feet in My Face." She'd get the message and move her feet. When she got into the habit of constantly saying, "I'm hungry," even if it was only a half hour before dinner time, I would sing to her, "I predict you will live, even though you are hungry." If she began to display narcissistic, self-centered tendencies, I would sing to her, "The world revolves around you." If she complained too much, I would sing, "Life is tough when you're a kid." Well, these little songs served to dissuade her from behaving in ways of which her mother and I did not approve. They proved to be more effective than timeouts or other forms of discipline. It got to the point where if she began to misbehave, all I had to do was say, "I feel a song coming on," and she'd stop what she was starting to do and say, "Don't sing, Dad." She knew that I was going to sing one of these songs depending on which undesirable behavior she was about to exhibit. Eventually, my wife, who's a very intelligent woman, strongly suggested that I write these songs down before I forgot them, as I most certainly would have. After all, after our daughter grew up and matured, the need to sing these songs to her would eventually fade away. After she was grown, we decided to record these songs. And of course, we got her permission, and she thought that was a hilarious idea. And so we now have this CD way over here called "I Feel a Song Coming On." And my wife, who is an excellent singer, sings all the songs on this album. And so I now present to you the first song inspired by our precious daughter, who's now 37, married, and living not too far from us. This is the song that teaches the importance of respecting personal space. "Don't Put Your Feet in My Face."
Don't put your feet in my face. That is not their correct place. Please put them back on the floor and not in my face anymore. Don't put your toe in my nose. You know that's not where it goes. It does not smell like a rose. So don't put your toe in my nose. Don't put your thigh in my eye. You do not have to ask why. It will get wet if I cry. So don't put your thigh in my eye. Don't put your nose in my ear. It's not too pleasant, my dear. You make it quite hard to hear. So don't put your nose in my ear. And don't put your thigh in my eye. And don't put your toe in my nose. Don't put your feet in my face, 'cause that is not their correct place.
Okay, so that may have been a little silly, but it certainly helped remind our daughter to respect others' personal space. Now I'm going to make the lead sheets for these children's songs, actually children's songs for parents to sing to their children, as a way of keeping them from doing things that the parents don't want them to do. Maybe it'll work with your children too, or your grandchildren, depending on whether you have children or grandchildren. Anyway, we'll make the lead sheets available to patrons of At Home with Music, and I plan to share some of the other songs from this CD that we recorded, my wife and I, and we'll have some fun together. If you have any questions, any comments, you can leave those in the comment section. I'll be sure to respond. Once again, if you'd like to support the channel, you can go to my Patreon page. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. And we'll have some more fun with these songs for children's parents or grandparents in future videos. I look forward to speaking to you and playing some more songs for you in the next one. That's not where it goes. It does not smell like a rose, so don't.